Writer's block isn't real. Wait, what? You wouldn't tell your boss, sorry, I can't come to work today, I've got worker's block. It's not an excuse for any other job, and it shouldn't be for writers either. So what we call writer's block is actually something else. Perfectionism, procrastination, and distraction. Here's how you can go about tackling each of these. We've all procrastinated at some point or the other. We try making tea, checking our emails, or doing anything except writing. The trick here is to plan for procrastination. Build all your daily activities into your schedule and include your writing goals in it, so that you don't fall behind. You write a line and then you edit it and then you edit it again, and suddenly it's been an hour and you've only written 2 lines. The fix is to separate writing and editing. Let yourself write badly. It's not about having a perfect draft, but just getting the momentum going. You can fix all your mistakes later. Your phone is your biggest distraction. You might want to take a short Instagram break, but before you know it, 5 minutes becomes an hour. Which is why, during your writing time, you need to keep your phone away. Here are some simple tips that can help improve your productivity. Firstly, read a lot. The more you read as a writer, the better your instincts become and the more inspired you feel. Take breaks. Some of your best ideas come when your mind is completely free. Know your ending. It gives you direction and makes it easier to move forward. Brainstorm freely. Just set a timer and write whatever comes to mind. Change your environment. You could go to a park or a cafe. Fresh surroundings boost creativity. During a writing session, always quit when you know what comes next. This will give you a head start for your next writing session. And always show up. Even writing just 1 paragraph is better than not writing at all. Keep showing up. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!